morning and I want to watch TV, but the remote won't work. How do you... Should I... Jangan. Welcome back, guys. So this is continue part, which is the part 2. So yeah, I wake up super early and this is the same morning as the same day. So after we had gone to Oishi Park, we are now going to Gotemba Factory Outlet. Now this place have the same concept as the outlets in Malacca and Johor, which is an outdoor mall theme. So they also have a praying room here, but you need to share the guys and the women, Muslim and the Muslimah, and the ablution place is also only one, so you guys have to share that too. So for the first store, we are going to the Pokemon shop, which I don't buy anything. We are just window shopping here. Lushy. Oh, that is Here we are now at Disneyland. Star Wars. Dan kejuaraan. Plushie toy. Panjang line. The lines are long. And here's knife. So this is the connection between this part of the outlet and that part of the outlet. And they say that in the bridge you can see Mount Fuji from here, if Mount Fuji is not foggy, because when we go at Mount Fuji before, it was so foggy that we can't see the upper part, we can only see the bottom part. So yeah, sorry for the shaking, the wind is strong. Here's the Lego store. And here's like the Kamen Rider slash Ultraman slash Power Rangers slash other stuff. Wrap your umbrella. And there's only one food court here. It's so big. Of course, I don't eat them, just watch and see. Honda, he told me that this is very popular. So our neighbor, Singapore chicken rice. Ice cream. Ooh, cotton candy. A turbine. Let us appreciate my time to make this time-lapse video. And now we are ready to go back home. And yeah, because I was bored, I just took some videos. Ah, skip. Mystery man. So when I go to this outlet, I didn't buy anything. I guess. Yeah, I think I don't bought anything. So I'm just here to go window shopping and yeah. Bye. Arigato. Ding. We're stuck in a jam for 1 hour, so it's 3 hours to go back home. When I thought I could relax and enjoy my bento, my mom got a message saying that who wants to come to go to buy like food and drinks could follow the tour guides. So I was the representative of my family to go shopping. And this is what happened when you let me to go shopping. Yeah, I don't know what to buy, so might as well just buy my stuff. And after that, our tour guide show us how to use the train at the train station in Tokyo, but maybe I'll put that in the next video. So I come back and I bought bananas, apple, milk, and then chocolate milk. So I'm back with my PJ on. Number 7. Bringing this to my parents. Apple. OOTD of the day. Okay, so it's the end for this video, and I am wearing a Japanese pajama. The hotel provided it, and they are washed daily each time new service came. And and remember that this holiday is by Arba Travel Agency. So if you want to know more about Arba Travel Agencies, I'll link it at the description box below. Bye!